All right, guys, this is our 1973 Buccaneer red, automatic, air conditioned, loaded with about every option in this car. This is a frame off, nut and bolt, numbers matching 73 Trans Am, 455 motor, automatic AC. It's got the honeycomb wheels on it. It's got new BF Goodrich tires, all new interior. This car is decked out from top to bottom. There's going to be tons of pictures that we're going to show. The undercarriage with all the detailed tags, the engine compartment all fully detailed out. It's got a high-end show quality finish. This car is super, super nice. I mean, we basically, everything's finished up. It's we have PHS documentation, all the good details and stuff on this available online for you to pull up and check out. 1973 455 Trans Am, frame off restored. It's lot number 991, Friday the 19th at 1 o'clock.